everyone, Amanda here with Moses and Me Card Company. Today I am going to be showcasing the Spellbinders July 2022 card kit of the month called Under the Sea Magic. Let's first take a look and see what we get in the kit. Starting off with the cardstock, we get purple, kind of like a lavender color, a white, a fuchsia pink, a darker purple, a dark pink, a light pink, and a blue color. We also get some pattern paper. This is of course called Under the Sea Magic. It's got a lot of watery kind of themes. That looks like mermaid scales, unicorns, some paisley, some more unicorns, some fairies, some more fairies, some more fairies, some greens. So just really pretty pattern papers that kind of go with the nautical water theme that we have going on here. That one's pretty. Kind of looks like alcohol inks. And there you have it. There are the papers for this kit. We of course get our Under the Sea die cut images. I won't be taking those out. Oh, sorry, I missed some papers. I've got a dark blue. I should have realized I didn't have my specialty cardstock. A dark blue and then a gold specialty cardstock. And then we also get some dies for this month. They are look like 10 dies. Kind of take a brief look at them. It looks like they're kind of silhouettes of some mermaids, probably some sea life. So you get a mermaid silhouette. That's another mermaid silhouette. I get a little seahorse. That's kind of cute. Looks like some algae, some seashells, a little fish, another little seahorse. It's kind of nice, and another seashell. So that'll be kind of fun to play with. We get some gemstones. They kind of coordinate with all the beautiful colors that are in this kit. We also get some chipboard stickers. They also have kind of a magic theme that kind of coordinate as well. We get some foam alphabet stickers. We get a stamp set that again has some sentiments that go with the theme of this kit. We always get our envelopes and of course some adhesive. There's the foam adhesive and the double-sided tape. There's our 10 envelopes. And I think that is all. Let's see here. Yep, that is all that we get in this month's kit. So I look forward to showing you the cards that we get to create with this. Stay tuned. Alright, so here are the 6 cards we have been able to create using this kit. I know it's been a long time since I've done one of these, so I appreciate y'all hanging in there with me. For the first one, I used a couple of components from the kit. This is of course some of the pattern paper and some of the cardstock we get, as well as some of the ephemera pieces. I also die cut out the little starfish, the little fish up there, the bubbles, and the seashell and seahorse. Sorry, that eluded me there for a second. And then of course I used a couple of dies that I have in my stash, a couple of dies and of course a stamp that I have in my stash. I was trying to find something that would tie in the anchor, and I have this Punny Man set that I've used in a previous kit that's got this little things for being my anchor statement, so I used that. And then of course this is the braided border from MFT, which I think is really pretty. And there you have card number 1. For card number 2, I continued to use just some of the pattern paper and ephemera that was in the kit. These of course are my Love from Lizzie peel-offs in this really pretty gold color, and then I used the stamp set and some gold embossing powder to stamp that sentiment which says leave a little sparkle wherever you go. And then of course this is an ephemera piece, which I popped up on some foam tape, so it's got a little bit of dimension, and then used some of the gems that we got in the kit as well. And again, these are just 2 of the pattern papers that they gave us. So this is kind of an interesting kit. It's very florally, very little girl, you know, kind of cards. I feel like are the kids that will like these birthday cards. I made a lot of birthday cards with this kit. Again, using some more of the pattern paper, and these are the puffy stickers that we got in the kit. I finally have used those. I'm not very good at thinking of things to spell out with them, so it's very easy and generic, as you can see. Some more of the gemstones that we got, and some more Love from Lizzie pill-offs. And this card was pretty simple. This is an ephemera piece that I just popped up on some fun foam to give it a little bit of dimension. And there you have card number 3. For card number 4, again, I brought in that sentiment from the stamp set. I used some of the specialty cardstock as well as the regular cardstock that we got in the kit, and just used some of the pattern paper and some more of the gems. And there you have card number 4. All of these were pretty simple. As you can tell, they don't use a lot of die cutting. They're mainly just the pattern papers and stamps from the kit. I did want to bring in the dies from the kit as well. On the first card we used a couple of the dies, but I did want to use the little mermaid dies. I thought they were kind of cute. And for this card I used this is the Spellbinders, what is this called? This is their fluted classic ovals die to cut out some of that really pretty pattern paper that looks like it's an underwater kind of tie-dye scene. And I cut out the 2 mermaids from some specialty gold cardstock that we got in the kit, and I just married it with some other pattern paper as well as some of the chipboard stickers and some more of the gems, and thought this card was kind of cute. I like how they look like they're holding each other's hands, like they're some friends under the sea. And then of course the sentiment is on the chipboard sticker, and it just says, "Because of you there is magic in my life and sparkle in my soul." So there you have card number 5. I thought that one was kind of cute. I do like how that one turned out. And last but not least, card number 6 is again with the die that we got in the kit, some more of the chipboard stickers as well as some of the ephemera and gemstones. I also, this is of course the piece from this cardstock that I had left over. I just kind of made a little underwater scene there with this little mermaid. And I also brought in the the embossing folder of the month, which is called Geometric Stripes, and it's got a whole bunch of little shapes in the background. I just kind of wanted to give it a little bit of dimension back there, and again mounted this main oval on some fun foam, so it's got a little dimension, and then again I mounted the mermaid on some fun foam, so she has a little bit of dimension, and used some of the chipboard stickers for a birthday sentiment. So there we have the 6 cards that we created using this month's kit. I hope that you enjoy it. I'm sorry I didn't do a Christmas card with this one. I was going to try with this card, but just really got stumped, so I wanted to go ahead and post what I had done, and hopefully will help you guys. I don't know how everybody else fared with this kit. It was a little bit of a challenge for me, but I really did enjoy it once I got into it. So I hope that you like the 6 cards that I came up with this month, and as always, I appreciate y'all tuning in and supporting me and watching me. It's always nice to know that you're not crafting in the darkness. But I appreciate you all and hope that you're having a good summer, and we'll hopefully chat with you soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.